Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
Let's have some fun today and go over the ABCs of accounting. I got this slide off of SlidesGo. I think it's a lot of fun and I hope you enjoy it. A is for assets. Assets are what your business owns. B is for balance sheet. The balance sheet is the report that tells you what your business owns, what your business owes, and the equity you have within your business. C is for cash flow. Cash flow is just like it sounds. It's the money in and money out. It is the flow of your cash. D is for depreciation. When your tax preparer files your taxes, you might have assets on your balance sheet that are depreciated. E is for equity. Equity is the difference between your assets and your liabilities on your balance sheet. It's also a representation of what the value of your business is. F is for frog, such as Gentle Frog. F is also for financial statements. There are three primary financial statements. There's the profit and loss, there's the balance sheet, and there's the statement of cash flows. G is for Gentle Frog. G is also for good record keeping. It's important that you keep good bookkeeping and financial records. H is for home office. I think many of us are working from a home office. I is for income statement. The income statement is also known as the profit and loss statement. This is going to be the summary of everything your business has earned and everything that your business spent money on, but for a specific period. You get to pick the start and stop dates for this report. J is for journal entries. Journal entries are a way to record entries within your accounting software. It's the thing with a debit and a credit. K is for key employee. Don't forget the amazing people on your team. Make sure you tell them thank you, make sure you pay them well, and make sure that they just know they're appreciated. L stands for ledger. Ledger is simply a list of everything that's happened within your accounting program. So think of it like your old checkbook register if you're my age and older. M stands for markup. Don't forget when you buy something that you're going to turn around and resell, you want to make sure you have the appropriate markup on those things that you sell. N stands for net income. When you sell something, that's your gross income. Then you have the expenses to run your business. What's left over is your net income. O stands for owner's equity, which is the prior earnings from the business, plus any money the owner has invested into the business. P stands for profit. Profit is the same thing as your net income. You have your sales minus your expenses equal your profit. Q stands for quality of life. Don't forget, even though what you do is important, so is your quality of life. R stands for Rachel. Whee! R also stands for revenue. Revenue is just a fancy way of saying sales. S stands for sales tax. I think we're all pretty familiar with that. T stands for taxes. So not just sales tax, but all your taxes. Your sales tax, your excise tax, your use tax, your payroll tax, your federal tax, all of the taxes. U stands for use tax. Use tax is the tax that you need to pay to the state when you purchase something where you did not pay sales tax. So for example, if you go and shop in a state that doesn't charge sales tax, you need to self-report your sales tax. Self-reporting your sales tax is called use tax. V stands for virtual office. I have a virtual office, as do many other people. W stands for W-9 form. As we get closer and closer to January, you're going to start to hear this more and more. The W-9 form is the form that you present as a subcontractor or a professional to the person you're doing business with. The W-9 form lets the person who hired you know what your business name is, your business address, and your tax ID number. This is so, if for reasons they need to, they can send you a 1099, often a 1099 miscellaneous, or a 1099 NEC. X stands for zero. Zero is an accounting software that many people use and enjoy. Y stands for year-end. Year-end for most of us means December 31st, but for other businesses and nonprofits, the year-end could be somewhere else in the calendar. Z stands for zone. The reason that you hire a bookkeeping professional is because we get in the zone when we do bookkeeping. I'm going to guess that is not the same for you. I hope you've enjoyed my presentation of the ABCs of accounting, bookkeeping, and a little bit extra. If there's anything my team or I can do for you, please don't hesitate to reach out. We offer YouTube tutorials, pre-recorded courses on our website, one-on-one training with myself, as well as one-time and ongoing bookkeeping services. Have a great day.